Here is the official museum shop, the stadium of the first modern Olympic Games. That Panathinaik Stadium. Take back home 2,500 years of history. They have the website. This stadium is a multi-purpose one, which means it hosts several events like concerts, Olympic Games, marathons, and the like. And in this stadium, the world famous singer Robbie Williams, a British singer, will have his concert, major concert here in Greece in this stadium on the 15th, I think, of October this year, 2025. Check it out. It's in October. Robbie Williams, and he is one of my favorite singers, international singers, and the song that strikes. His songs, okay, one of his songs that strikes me is Angels. Here, I think there will be a big event. As I can see inside, there's let us say paraphernalia that will be used. Maybe, or it has been used already, but no, it's not yet. Maybe tonight or tomorrow. So there. Your substitution for the knowledge of this area or in this stadium is through Google. You just type Panathinaik Stadium and it will appear this site or this picture. And I don't know exactly the number of the seating capacity of this stadium, but as you can see, it's a huge. Different flags, I think European, no, Olympic flags or European flags, no, okay. Olympic flags and Greek flags. And Greece is where Olympic Games started. That's why they have the Mount Olympus, they have their gods and goddesses. There. So check out, for those who are avid fans of Robbie Williams, you can come to Greece and check out the date. It's in October. This year to 2025, but I think it's on the 15th. I'm not sure. There is the Parthenon, the Acropolis, and there is the Lycabettus. There. Bye-bye for now. This is Kakang Nels or Nilo Visit also my YouTube channel, Kakang Nels. I have pinned that post in my Facebook. So just visit my Facebook, and maybe you would, if you want to like, share, and subscribe, watch my videos, comment if possible. If you can comment negatively or constructively, would be accepted. And I will not block anyone, promise. Because anybody or everyone deserves his own opinion. It's 6:45 in the morning, Wednesday, August, the second day of August. Third, yes, sorry. Third day of August. September, sorry. Bye-bye for now. I'll see you later in my future vlogs. Thank you for watching.